Hi everybody, welcome back to Muscoot Farm. Today we are going to do another science video. I'm Jonathan, or Dr. McDonald, and I wanted to ask you the question, what do you get when you have Mentos candies, this tiny piece of plastic, and diet soda? Well, we're going to answer that question really quickly. So the first thing I want to say is Mentos, these candies, we're going to look in here, and they are mints, but they're similar to, if you watched our other video about carbon dioxide, they're similar to those fizzy Alka-Seltzers that we had. So whenever you're doing this at home, if you ask your parents or guardian to help you with this, some of the things you can do are have different kinds of soda to see what reactions will be different. And you can, figure out what kind of temperature soda, like if it needs to be straight out of the refrigerator, or all different kinds of things. And you can also experiment with how many of these that you're going to put in at once. So basically what we have here is a nice amount of Mentos. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to put the Mentos in here. So we'll take this top part off. And this has got kind of a little stopper here. So we're going to put 1 in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that looks like as many as we can get. And if you look at the top of this, there's this hole that should create a geyser, and that's just a really tall fountain. A really famous one that you could look up would be Old Faithful. So the reason why that this is going to have the reaction it's going to have is that each one of these candies have little microscopic pits in there, and whenever they go down into, they're pretty heavy for little candies. When I open this tube, and they're going to shoot down into the bottom of this diet soda, and it's going to create, the soda is going to mix with these candies and create carbon dioxide really quickly, and then it's going to push out. It has to find a way to go, so it's going to push out, and you'll see exactly what happens whenever I do that. So remember, if you're going to do this, it's best to do it outside, obviously, and we want to make sure that you have your parent or guardian's permission. So we are going to do that. We're going to hold on to this as we tighten this. And if you're following along at home, be sure that whenever you do this that you have an escape route, because whenever I pull this, I'm going to run so I don't get soaked with diet soda and Mentos, okay? So let's start anyway I know how to. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and so there you have it. That is a Mentos and diet soda fountain or geyser, and we really hope you enjoyed this video, and please come back again and watch some more of our videos.